I'm Evan Smith with Stifflers Chassis and Suspension. And if you're looking for a great way to improve performance on your 2005 to 2014 Mustang, you might want to check out Stifflers FIT System that mounts between the front and rear subframe of the car. It triangulates between that and the rocker panel and absolutely increases the strength of the chassis on your Mustang. So adding a whole bunch of strength to the chassis of the car is a great thing because it allows your suspension to do its job instead of the chassis of the car flexing and moving or deflecting as you encounter bumps or hard launches if you've added a whole lot of horsepower to your car. So one thing that Stifflers does is they tape off the areas that will ultimately be welded to the car before they do the powder coating. This way you just peel the tape off, which we'll show you in a little bit, and then you can weld directly to the car without having to grind the powder coating like other kits might have, and that makes it really easy to install. It saves you a lot of time. Another thing that the Stifflers FIT System does is it allows you to transfer more power to the ground. You won't be wasting it twisting and bending the chassis. Your car will launch straighter, and the system will reduce or eliminate interior rattles, and that'll extend the life of the vehicle. The kit can be used on any S197 Mustang, including convertibles, although there are some slight modifications that must be done. The kit is also non-intrusive, which means you don't have to cut the floor, you don't have to take your interior apart, and your ground clearance remains unchanged as well. If you like what you see here in Stifflers FIT System for the S197 Mustang, be sure to check out all our great components at buystiflers.com.